let's take a look at this product first. So I see you put the break-even point of $16.75.
Yes.
If you're selling it, if it costs $15 on AliExpress, you're selling for $31 plus $6 shipping. Would your profit margin be around $20?
Probably about 15 to 16.
How much are you getting it from AliExpress again?
Well, that's including the shipping, so $16.75. So 32. Hold on. Yeah, so it's half.
So how much are you buying it from AliExpress again?
$16.75, including shipping.
Oh, so you're putting in the cost of how much it costs into the.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay, cool. What I like to do is I like to put in the break-even point into the name.
Okay. Okay, yes.
So let's calculate the break-even point together. So 32 plus 6.95 minus 16.75. Your break-even point is $22.20. So you can add that into the end of the title name, and it will really help because when you have many products, it can get confusing.
Oh, okay, yeah.